Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q2 S-Line 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning Daytona grey colour, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 16,796 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-segment spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. Now to the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable leather and cloth upholstery, the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road. Moving on to the MMI multimedia display, going on to Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Going into Maps to help you easily find your desired destination. Back on the main menu, into Telephone to help stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And finally, in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Below, you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point. 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, an electric parking brake, plus the MMI multimedia control pad. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.